Morning, Second Amendment family. I'm going to start doing some cleaning videos for different firearms, different calibers. But I want to start out by, where do you clean your firearm at? Over the years, I've done it on folding tables and all kinds of stuff. This year, I splurged and went out and got myself a nice workbench to keep everything organized. So, let's take a look at it. Alright, start out. I got my holster drawer. I got a miscellaneous drawer, got some ramrods, some cleaning patches. Holster parts that wouldn't fit in the other drawer. Cleaning patches, some microfiber cleaning cloths, some ammo label boxes, an extra bore snake. Yeah. Alright. Got microfiber. I got my carbon fiber cleaning rod. 3 different size shafts. I got my jags. My brushes. My pistol cleaning rod. My slotted tips. Bore sticks of a lot of the main calibers I mess with. Over here we got some tools. I got my roll pin punch set, my hammer, my AR armorer's wrench, my bench block, miscellaneous Allen wrenches, microfiber cleaning cloth, oil cleaning cloth, and my chemicals. I prefer hops. Got some basic hops, oils, my precision bottle. Then I got the black. I haven't tried this yet. I really want to. I got my Tetra gun grease, which I use in my AR, and a real nice microfiber cleaning cloth that I use. And then my gun mat. I have a lot of gun mats, but I use this one just because it's the perfect size. It's got a magnetic tray to hold parts. Now if we go up here, got miscellaneous kits. It's a handgun kit, AR kit, rifle kit, more hops cleaning, another silicone cloth, and this is my screwdriver set. If you're going to work on firearms, you need a good screwdriver set. I can get it open with one hand. There we go. Back up a little bit here. And it's a cobalt bench. Get it at Lowe's. It's great. Fits everything. Got the pegboard. So that being said, it's whatever you feel comfortable with. I really like the cleaning. I really like the bench the way I have it set up. Everything's easy access. I'm not taking stuff in and out of boxes. So everybody have a great day. I'll get another video up here within the next couple days. I'll tell you what would you rather see me clean? An H&K USP 45, a SIG M18, a Shield 45, Mitchell 45 Long Colt? Pick one, I'll clean it. Or I'll just clean one if nobody has any. Alright, later.